Hey guys, in this video we shall deal about the sector function, which is almost similar to the ellipse function. With that, let's get started. What I have done so far is just created a file and named it sector.C. As I have said earlier in the introduction part that sector is almost similar to the ellipse function. As you have already been familiarized yourself with the ellipse function, the sector takes exactly 5 parameters as in the case of ellipse. So let's call the sector function. Now let's discuss about the parameters. The first two parameters are the x and y coordinates regarding the center of the sector. For this case, let it be 150, 150, the point 150, 150. Then the next two parameters are the starting angle and the ending angle respectively. Let it be 0 and up to 135. And oh, there was a mistake there. And the next two parameters are the x radius and the y radius respectively. If you didn't remember the case in the case of ellipse. And for this case, let it be 120 and 80 for the x radius and y radius respectively. So now let's talk about the difference. As you can notice, these are the same parameters that ellipse takes to. But what is the difference between ellipse and sector? The difference is that ellipse just draws an outline, just simple and a figure without any fill style or something like that. But in the case of sector, it draws an ellipse, it draws a sector and fills it with the current fill pattern and color. Now let's take a look at the difference. Oh, we have an error. Oh, we required almost 6. Oh, we didn't fill in the starting angle there. That was a mistake. Okay, now it's success, and now we got a sectors and this with the starting angle 0 up to 135, and it is filled with the default fill style and color. Now if you consider the fill ellipse function, we can fill an ellipse with the fill ellipse function, but it takes only 4 parameters and always fills a complete ellipse. We can customize the starting angle and the ending angle, and for that case we can use the sector function. I hope that you got a little bit idea about the sector function and how it differs from the fill ellipse and the ellipse functions. We can practice it supplying different values, and you can, as always, you can explore your creativity. And that's all for this video, and as always,